Hello everyone. Edu-Meta is a proposed idea submitted for the GE2 Summer 2023 Idea Pitch competition by Bhavin Shah from Team Ingenious. About Edu-Meta. Education is the most crucial element in anyone's life, but the traditional methods are getting exhausted. But what is the problem? Traditional approaches has become outdated, limitation to real-time application, lack of understanding due to static 2D images. The solution to the problem is immersive learning experience, better understanding with 3D visualization, practical exposure to real-time applications, customized app development for various applications as per customers' need, enhanced learning experience. Talking about how big is the opportunity. As of 2022, the market size was 400 million customers, of which even if we target 15%, that is 60 million customers, then too the market size is too large to serve, and the market size is expected to grow by 1.4 billion customers by 2030. For monetizing of Edu-Meta, selling of remote learning center, virtual laboratory, quality learning contents, gamification, customized immersive experience as per customers' needs shall be followed. Let us now discuss about business model canvas in brief. Value proposition is through quality learning contents, customized apps, and customer-centric approach. Customer segments would be the educational organizations, academicians, higher education students, corporate training centers, and millennial customers. Customer relationship is through 24/7 customer support, social media, recommendation systems. Channels would be through desktop, mobile and tablet app, social media platforms, print media, and outdoor advertisements. Revenue streams would be through quality learning contents, gamification, customized immersive experience as per customers' need. Key activities would be technology and development, customized content creation, immersive experience, and analytics of most viewed and liked contents. Key resources would be app and website, algorithm and data, staff and content creators. Key partnership would be technology partners, 3D content creators, educational organizations, and influencers. Cost structures would be technology and development, marketing and advertisements, administrative and customer service. The key takeaways of Edu-Meta are immersive learning experience, customized content creation, remote learning center and virtual laboratory, attractive pricing. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the future of education. Thank you all for your time and attention.